Hello guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R, and I'm Miss R, and today I will be showing you how to take your blood sugar levels with this Contour Next One kit. If you want to see how I'm going to do it, then just stay tuned. You're going to get a kit. And my kit is put together, but I'm going to show you what's in it. You're going to get instruction books and things to show you how to use your kit. In my kit, I put it together for you guys. In my kit, you're going to get the blood monitor, the strips, you're going to get some needles, and you're going to get the cartridge where the needles go. So guys, let's start with the needles. The needles are going to look like this. Okay? The needles are going to look like this. And the cartridge looks like this. If you look on the top of the cartridge, it's got 1 to 5. And that shows the depth of how far you want the needle to go in. Usually I leave mine at 4 to make sure that the needle sticks me. And it doesn't hurt like you would think it would. It doesn't hurt. To get this open, you turn it here and it comes off. Okay? You will then take the needle and you will insert it inside. And you heard the click, right? You will twist this off and you save this top because this is going to help you get rid of the needle later so no one else can stick themselves. In order to get the needle out once you're done, you're going to push this lever up and it falls out. Now, the other thing I want to show you guys is this. Just in case your needle pops while you're getting it ready before you could put the top back on, or even after you have the top on, don't worry about it. Just pull this lever and it will set it back, okay? So remember, even if it accidentally pops, just pull this lever, whether the top is on it or not, and it will set it back. But to get it out, just push this after you're done. Just push this lever up and it will release the needle. Guys, this is the wand. And when you first get it, you're going to press the button and it will come on. Your instructions will show you how to set it up for the date and time, because that's going to, if you download the app, all of this is easy. If you download the app will hold your record of when you did your test, how your numbers are, and the dates and the time in which you did it. So it's real easy. You just keep pressing this button and up and down when you get to where you want it to be. The app, you go to your store, download it, and it goes right into there. Okay, guys, now this is what it'll look like. Your strips will go into here, okay? The strip will look like this. It will be gray on one end, and that's the end that goes into the machine. And it will be, see if I can get you to see it. And on this end, it'll have a little part where your blood go in. Now, you don't have to always turn on the machine, because once you put this in there, the machine will turn on. So, when you put it in, you heard that? And do you see that indicator? It's asking for blood. And once you prick your finger, once you take the meter, click it to how deep you want the needle to go, you will wash your hands, rub your finger with an alcohol pad, and then you will simply put it here on your finger, whatever finger you're going to use, and press the button. And it'll stick you. You work that blood up. Then you put the little stick monitor on there for it to do your reading. And it will show up on the screen. So basically, guys, I am going to do a quick little video of me actually doing my blood test. You're going to see what my readings is, and I hope this helps someone. Like I said, I am a pre-diabetic, and I do not want to have full-blown diabetes, type 2 diabetes. So this helps me know if I'm eating right. It'll let me know if my levels are going down, and if they're normal or if they're going up. All right, in your kit, guys, like I said, you're going to get the monitor. You're going to turn that on with the button. It's 1:10, and as you see, the time is on there, and it will record this. So you could take this to the doctor and they could pull up your records. And what I do is I keep my own file too, you know, just in case. Okay, so once you're done with that, that piece that I told you about, let me show you. This little piece that came off the tip of your needle, because you never want to use a needle twice. Clean off you twist it off, you lift it up like that, and then you put it on the needle, on the little pad. You press the needle in it, and you'll hear a pop. So to get rid of the needle and discard it, you're just going to push this lever up. See how it pops out? It's covered the needle. So after you do that, you just put your top back on. You just line it up. Put your top back on. You can, if your kit came with a little case, I like to keep all mine together. And it goes into the little pouch there. We're done with this, so we take and pull this out and throw that away. That will go off. And I have me extra needles in there. I keep my needles pulled that way. And always keep these nice and dry, room temperature. And to make sure that your machine works, your kit should come with fake blood. And on the box, it should tell you what the fake blood should read, so you'll know that you're doing it right. So guys, pretty much that's it. That's how I take my blood glucose. I do it in the morning when I first wake up before eating anything, and I do it 2 hours after I eat. Guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later. Good luck with your test.